Happy morning! Kumakain ng aming bata. Ayaw na kumain na magsubuan. Gusto kakain na rin siya mag-isa. Si kuya rin kumakain. Ulam niya nilaga. Almotang na to. Si Papa, mamansi, langka. Si Keeper kumakain ng sabaw at saka kanin. Almusal na yan. Ayaw niya na magpasubo. Very good na bata.
And here's some salad made with grass, tomatoes, lettuce.
Wala na nga. Masama-simatan yung magkain ng konti.
Mama!
George is eating his pizza, but George does not like the
Ano ba kumakatok?
Siguro ano yung siya.
Dear George, don't you like the salad? No. George, just try a little bit of this lovely tomato. Yuck. George, this is cucumber. Grandpa Pig grew it in his garden.
Try a piece of lettuce, George. Yummy. Now, George. Look what I'm doing. Now it's a dinosaur. George loves dinosaurs. George is eating the tomatoes, lettuce, and cucumber.
Well done, George. Would you like some more, George?
Oh, George, are you too full to eat any more tomatoes, lettuce, or cucumber? George is too full to eat anymore.
George, are you too full to eat anything more?
George is too
Kain na,
full to
kain
eat
na, kain na
anything
kanin.
more.
Tama na yan. Kain na kanin, kain na kanin. Kain na kanin.
Ama, ano ta sa American? Amerika yun, ma. Ibang bansa.
Pepper and her family are in America on their way to Hollywood. I love this motorhome. A motorhome is a house that you can drive.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Let's ask some Pepper and her